Hey, so in this video, I'm going to be taking my hair from this type of short cut here to this much shorter pixie cut. So if you guys want to see how I get things done, then keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy for those of you who are new to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be cutting down my hair. So my hair is like a short cut, but I want to cut it into what they call a true pixie. So the purpose of this video is to show you guys how I cut down my hair. I'm not a professional stylist, but there are times when I need to kind of do things myself, either just to learn or to save costs, or just because I just like to practice. I like to play in my hair. So this video is not to encourage you guys completely to go ahead and cut your hair, because I know I will be making some mistakes along the way. So it's not necessarily a tutorial. So you can watch it for your own enjoyment, or if you already plan on cutting your hair yourself and you just want to see how someone else does it who's not a professional, then this is the video for you. So I kind of want to cut the length of the top and around the sides here so that it's a true pixie, and I want to be able to mold it quicker, and I want my hair to be able to dry quicker. Especially in the summertime, it's more convenient when my hair is shorter, especially with the heat and the sweating. And I also just want a different style. Okay, so today I'm going to be using my Andis clipper. I got this at the beauty supply store. I also showed you this when I purchased it during my last video when I brought you guys to the hair store with me. So this is a junior, Andis Junior, and it comes with 5 guards. This is just one of the guards, but without the guards, they look like this. Oops. I'm also wearing a cape here so I don't get hair all over my clothes. I'm also going to be cutting my hair with scissors as well. So wherever I see fit, I don't really have like a plan, but we're just going to start, and I'm going to see, like what's the best to move forward. Alright, so I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to comb everything out. My hair is dirty, so I'm also going to relax it after. And the roots are a little bit thick. Maybe parting out. I'm just going to start by parting out the sides here. And the back. And I'm going to start with the top part first, because I know I want a chunk of it off. So I'm just going to comb it back this way. And take the scissor and cut it down a little bit shorter. Okay, so I only took off this much for now, just to get like a general length, and then I'm going to go in with the clipper. So I'm just going to take the comb and comb it forward to see what type of length I'm getting at the front. And it's still kind of long. Yeah, it's still kind of long, so I do want it to be shorter. So I'm just going to go in with the comb and just take some off of the side here. And I know I still want a little bit of sideburn, so I'm going to comb the sideburns down right here. And then pull the sides back this way and out. And I'm just going to start cutting around. Okay, so this is the length of the first cut, and I'm just going to copy the same length going all the way around. So this is a lot shorter than this piece here. So I'm just going to take this piece with the other piece and just copy the same length. And then after I do it all the way around, I'm going to go in with the clippers and take down the back. The bottom of the back. So I got around the sides and the back. It's a little bit lower, right? So I'm just gonna do the top now. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a length difference, a drastic length difference between where I cut here on this side and the top over here. So I'm just gonna line everything up to match this here. Sorry, to match this here. So I did the first cut, and I know I'm not using professional scissors. I got these scissors from the beauty supply store. And for me, it's not a good investment because I don't typically cut my hair myself. I just do like trims, and then I'll cut it once in a while, like if I'm just really feeling risky and adventurous. The front is still longer than I would like it to be, and I know it's because when I cut it, I pulled it back this way. So I'm gonna cut it again and not pull it back as far. I'm gonna cut it by just combing it a little bit up and out so that I can take off some length. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it this length for now. It's a little bit shorter than what it was before anyways, and then I'll just go back and cut it shorter if I need to. So next I'm gonna go in with the clippers to take down the back a little bit more and the sides. Okay, so I don't feel like it's taking off enough, and this is because the guard is a little bit too big and my hair is already at such a short level. So I'm gonna go one level down to the number 3 and see if that's gonna make a difference. So I can always see what I'm doing on the sides, but on the back I'm never really sure. So I always go as far as I can on the sides, and then when I come like down to the middle, I try to feel what's going on. But usually whatever's going on the sides, or how much of my hair is being taken off at the sides, is usually what's coming off at the back. So I always go ahead and like check with the mirror after. So it's nice and short, but I kind of still want to take off some at the top here. So I'm done cutting my hair. Not absolutely, but for the foundation before I relax it. So the back looks like this. And I see like I see a kind of a long piece back here and I really want to cut it. But anyway, the back looks like this. And the good thing is that I'm going to relax my hair right now. So the relaxer is going to kind of just lay everything down, and it kind of secretly covers up the imperfections that I've created. So I'm going to relax my hair now. I'm going to use the ORS relaxer. It's the one I used in my last video. So the application process was like less than 3 minutes. I'm going to maybe leave it on for maybe another 5 minutes. I don't want it to, it doesn't need to be relaxed much longer. My hair doesn't take too long to get straight. So in total it's going to be like a 8 to 10 minute relaxer, or maybe less. It doesn't matter. So basically I washed out my relaxer, I put a little rinse on my hair, and I wrapped it. I wrapped it using Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. So now I just want to kind of just clean up like around the ear and just kind of pick up my hair to see if there's any like imperfections. And to be honest, I want to cut off some of the front even more. Okay, so this is pretty much how I cut down my hair. I don't really have a method to anything that I'm doing. I kind of just know that I want it to be like a certain length. So once I find a certain length like this, I just keep cutting it down like that all the way around. I like to keep the hair at the side a little bit long so I can kind of give it some personality when I'm ready. I go back and forth between my scissors and my clippers, wherever I see fit. I could have used a razor comb as well to take down the sides and the back. So just a reminder that this video is not, it's not really a tutorial, it's not a tutorial because I'm not a professional stylist. There isn't really like a method that I can really teach you. You can take what you want from it here and there. If you feel inspired by it in any way, then like go ahead and like try, you know what I mean? It's just hair, it will grow back. You can always get it corrected at your salon, but for me, I don't have like a salon to go to right now, and I like to have fun with my hair. I like to try different things with my hair. I like experimenting. If I had really messed it up, I wouldn't have any issues with cutting my hair all the way off and then just regrowing it all over again. So I mean, that's just me personally. But anyway, if you did find this video helpful in any way, give my video a thumbs up. I hope you did. I'm going to rock my hair like this for the meantime. I'm excited to be able to like mold and go do easy finger waves, because the shorter your hair is, the easier it is to wave your hair with the foam, because you have less hair to work with. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna be playing up with my lashes, playing it up with my accessories, or just keep it like just cool like this. Who knows? It doesn't matter. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.